like 29, right? They are hint. Obviously, the thing is, in exams, they don't give us hints. But since we do have a hint, we might as well take it. But the thing is, what I want to showcase in this situation is the fact that even though these are numbers that are fractions, if you do exactly what we have always just been doing now, right? By like, you know, getting the trying to factorize by grouping. If we can do that for all those other examples, we can do it for this one also, even though they are fractions. We just have to be using our calculators wisely. The other thing also is, if it's equal to a 0 like this, it really also does not hurt to have like a uniform denominator as they suggested. So we'll as we said, we'll try maybe both, right? Getting a uniform denominator seems like the nicest thing to do. But let's try and out and and say what happens if we were to say this times this, and you want to get, you want to factorize by grouping. In your calculator, this times this would give you 3/16. So the issue now is you'd be thinking, okay, fine, we need to get factors of 3/16 that give us a half. And the the question will now be like, how do you get factors of 3/16 that give you a half? This is where your calculator comes in. See, because in your calculator, you're just gonna put in the 3/16, right? You press the equal to button, and then you press back.
It says error.
Yeah, let's see. It says error, right? So 3/16 equal to shift back. It says error. So this is how you would then stop with this method to say, yeah, it's clearly not working. Obviously, we do need to get an LCD. So getting an LCD here would have a half x squared plus a half x equal to 3/8. No. I think I made a mistake here. I think this is supposed to be a plus or minus. Let's see what that is. Oh, it is equal to something. And then I don't know why I put it equal to 0 there. Weird. Yeah. That might have been the issue. But let's see, if this was a minus and we said equal to 0, it still doesn't, I don't think it might still work out, but let's check it out. Negative 3/16, and then shift fact, also met error, doesn't change anything. So that's okay. Here we need to get an LCD, right? Obviously getting an LCD, the lowest common denominator here is an 8. To get an 8 here, we have to multiply by 4/4. You see, 4/4. Here also 4/4. So that being said, this is going to give us 4/8 with x squared. We can put the x squared on the top. And then here 4x/8 equal to 3/8. So because all of them have 8 as the denominator, we can actually just multiply everything by 8. Times this by 8, times this by 8. What's going to happen is the 8 will cancel out. The 8 at the bottom will be canceled out. And then you have 3 here. Everything on one side, you have plus 4x. The 3 goes over, it's minus 3 equal to 0. And then we're back to the beginning. You see, where this multiplies that, you get a minus 12x squared. You want to split this up, factors of 12 that give a 4. It's going to be, seems like it's 6 and 2, you see. But to get a plus 4, you have to say a plus 6 and minus 2. Fortunately, these multiplied will give you a negative 12. So we put our 6x here, our negative 2 here, the 3 here drops down, the minus 3, I mean. The 4x here drops down also. And then we can see here, the only thing is here we can take out a common factor of like 2x. Here you're gonna be left with 2x. Here you're gonna be left with plus 3. So for you to get a plus 2x here and a plus 3 here, you have to get a minus as a common factor. See? And then as we say, this bracket is repeating, so you can take it out as a common factor. What's gonna be left with is this 2x here minus this one there. that all equal to 0, we'll then be able to say 2x plus 3 equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 equal to 0, which would then give us the 2x equal to minus 3, and then this would give us the 2x equal to 1. Divide by 2 on both sides, x equal to minus 3 over 2, x here is equal to a half.
Okay, yeah. Hello?